Hi, Joe. This is Ann. I'm sorry to be bothering you, but Susan is about to get here, and she's supposed to drive me to a place for a lecture on downsizing at Grand Lake Park, Looney Bin, or whatever it is. Anyway, I doubt she'll be able to find it, although I'm sure it's easy to find, but not Susan. And we're going to 401 Santa Clara. And I assume Santa Clara intersects whatever it is next to the Grand Lake Theater. Anyway, please help me. You don't have to, because it's possible she'll be able to insert it in her GPS and we might get there. But I'm not counting on it. Anyway, sorry to bother you. Bye.